Hi, and welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is 5-minute chemistry where you learn chemistry concepts and see examples in 5 minutes or less. Today we are balancing ionic compounds, taking the name of an ionic compound and going to a balanced compound. And the compound we're working today with is ammonium bromate. Ready, set, let's go. Hi, welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. Today we are balancing ammonium bromate, and it's an ionic compound because this one actually has two polyatomics, ammonium, one of the few positive polyatomics in bromate. Now remember, the positive one always goes first, and our first step is to always write down the ion with a charge. So ammonium is our positive. This is the first one in the name, and it is NH 1 plus, and bromate is the negative. It comes second. We know the 8, it's going to have oxygen is BrO₃, 1 minus. Now, when we're balancing, I've shown you the crisscross, I've shown you the LCM, I've shown you the equation method. But what's really easy is if they are the same charge, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, whatever. If it's the same positive and negative charge, you know there has to be one of each. So this simply becomes NH4 BrO₃. There is no need to do any of the methods if it's the same charge because there will always be one of each. One of the easiest ways to reduce your workload is look at the charges and determine if it's the same number, one positive, one negative. You know that final compound will automatically have a 0 charge. So you just have to write them down in a compound way, squish them together. Thank you so much for watching Always Eclectic Stacy. If you like this content, please do not forget to check out my other videos. And if you're rusty on the polyatomics, please go ahead and check out my polyatomic series. Other than that, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.